Hello. So I'm going to make some pumpkin seeds. We got a couple pumpkins. So this is seeds probably from a whole pumpkin and a half. I set my oven at 350. We're going to cook them for about 12 to 15 minutes, see how they do. The recipe I'm following says just do it till they're brown. So then flip them every like 5 minutes so it's evenly brown over them all. And today we're just going to use some olive oil and seasoning salt. So here we go. We're just going to prep them up. Drizzle some olive oil. Sprinkle some seasoning salt, and this usually comes out pretty quick. You know what? Let me mix them up first. Try to do a potato potato soup video, because we're going to go to my cousin's. This is Halloween, so we are going to go to my cousin's house, and I was going to bring soup because it's supposed to rain here in Michigan, so for Halloween. So I thought it was something warm and cozy, like soup would be a nice touch to tonight. But the girls got a little crazy, a little wild, so I'll have to do that next time. Dropped my phone a few times. I was getting frustrated. So I'll just evenly spread them out. They all pretty much look like they have a little bit of oil on them. Our salt comes out quick, so I'm a little nervous. The baby likes it on her eggs in the morning. I mean, to me, you can never have enough seasoning salt. I love it. My husband loves it, but sometimes the kids get cranky on their seasonings. So we'll just sprinkle it on and then do another mix. Smells good. Just mix it around. We have a pumpkin back here. My daughter wanted to try pumpkin pie. So she has tomorrow off of school. I think we are going to, I'll probably maybe roast it today if I have time. But it's got to roast for like an hour and a half to break the inside of the pumpkin down to make the pumpkin puree for the pie. And we still got to buy her pie shell, so that's why it's going to happen probably tomorrow. Now everybody's requesting from scratch a pumpkin pie, so we will see how that turns out tomorrow, and if it works good, then we can make one for Thanksgiving. So it looks pretty evenly coated. So shake it up, try to get them all even. All right, so just gonna wait for the oven to warm up, and then I will show you what the after cooking looks like, the after product.